just like that. He is something special, even at his ripe old age. What a super finish from the edge of the penalty area.
Hungry for a sixth. Unstolen here by Lee Edson. It's Ronaldo who's getting there first. It's 6 for Portugal. And Cristiano Ronaldo has his first competitive international goal for 2 years.
Well, that's a nicely disguised ball on by Contral. Here's Ronaldo. Lovely skill. Cristiano Ronaldo. A goal of the highest quality from the Portugal captain. And you have to say, Portugal thoroughly deserve to be level here.
Suarez to make his way forward. Bernardo Silva's got all the time in the world to pick out one of three in the middle, and Ronaldo scores just 2 minutes in. His first meaningful touch of the ball, and there's international goal number 76.
Silva working it short this time, in by Moutinho, and in by Ronaldo! He is a sensation! 85 goals in 152 games for Portugal.
Ronaldo looking for the hat-trick, and he's got it! Magnificent from Cristiano Ronaldo! He has made the second half his own. Berezovsky at fault.
Rafael Guerreiro with the cross. Ronaldo!
He's always going to be a massive threat. As soon as you let him get that run on you, the spring he's got. Here's James Chester, just got on the back of him. A well-worked corner, the trigger was out wide.
Ronaldo, it's fantastic! What a goal!